Hi, Adam here for Ecoaim. Ecoaim's based in Livingston, and today we're in Livingston at this detached house doing a solar install with battery storage. So on this particular install, we're installing 12 D-Meg solar panels coupled with an EcoFlow Power Ocean single phase battery and inverter. As you can see, this roof has tiles on it. Ideal for solar, but that doesn't mean it's not suitable for your roof. Your roof might have slate, it might have ridge tiles, it might be a flat roof. Solar is very adaptable for different types of roof. Here you can see that there's a peak on the roof and there are Velux windows. This doesn't stop you having solar either. As you can see today, we've got a lovely sunny day, which you might think's ideal for solar. Living in Scotland, you might think, what good is solar in Scotland? It rains all the time. Well, funnily enough, solar panels don't work from the heat of the sun. Solar panels work from the light from the sun. The power generated by the solar panels is stored in the battery. You're at work during the day and you're asking yourself, well, if I'm at work, how am I getting the benefit from these panels? When you come home at night, you use the storage power from the battery to power your home. You might be thinking, how long does this kind of job take? This started this morning and will be finished by this evening. So the general installation process takes about a day.